stuck his dick in my face. Hamza.
I don't know, bro.
Maybe that's racist.
What? That's racist. You're in the camera.
I know. Rick and Morty, get away.
Yeah, you fucking.
So right now we're just peace treating with.
We'll get you an ice cream if you let us stay here for photos.
Oh yeah. But is that Hamza on the other side or not?
Alright, say less. What's your favourite flavour? Is that him? No, that's not them, bro.
I swear. Guys do laps for us.
It's airport security, that's what they do all day. It's called security for a fucking reason. Do we have to hold the button for you to hear us? Just wait.
Ow!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, he can hear the whole convo.
No.
He can hear the whole convo. It's a nice building. Can we come inside?
Nah.
Shut up.
No!
So predictable.
Genuinely, would you open the bollard so we can take photos?
I'll give you 2 smokes if we can come.
Yeah, you can get 2 extra smokers. Damn.
Oh, there we go.
Damn. Did he end the call? He's coming for those smokes right now.
Krispy Kreme. Jared.
Huh?
Is this your car, sir?
Nah.
It's his car, he's just lying. Sting? Hello?
Salam alaikum, we're about to do another night.
What the fuck? I'm in 4K every
So he said 0 out of 10.
Well, I was looking for a Gia Corolla and went to the dealership, Hyundai dealership, mate, and I fucking walked in there like, hey mate, we got one of these fucking N's in the back. And I was like, hey, cheers copper, let me have a look. So I had a squiz at it. Fuck, I was like, that's for me, mate. Give it to me now.
He bought an N in the back and now he's got an N in the
Dropped
back.
450k on it. Fucking, just change. And yeah, issues now, mate.
Spicy American. Not South American, spicy American. Bro, I'm actually black as fucking 4K.
What the fuck?
You just saw that? Hold on, lock the phone. Unlock it.
Are you ready?
By the way, this is the N driver. If it will focus, but yeah, that's the N driver.
Are you ready?
Mate, we're ready for when you are.
Hello? Hello? Working? Yeah.
3, 2, 1! Oh, look at that, we're oh fuck, look at that. Here comes Tristan, bro. 3, 2, 1! What? Yeah, so it's slow as dog shit. Yeah. Oh, one thing about these I30s is the turning circle is still dog shit. And that's I30 N. sir. Excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, what's the retail on one of these?
$1,000 EDs.
Actually came in the Preludes as well. I'm not wrong. 3rd gen or something like that. I don't know, but still pretty cool. Either way, so yeah.
Oh, no, we do. What the fuck?
Hey, Joan! Hey, Joan! You got a little bit angry.
You already got chopped.
You got chopped, mate. Well. Who got chopped? Asian boy down there got chopped.
What the fuck you saying? Damn, you.
I didn't know that she doesn't know what a rubbish bin is. That's enough menacing in the I30, now it's time for the full focus time.